What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you the Smiley happy nail design. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep watching. Alright, so I'm starting off with my nails with bare nails, and I'm taking these nail forms. Again, I hate them, but I'm just trying to make them work because these are the only ones that I have. And I'm just showing you how I put them on. Here it is on. I'm starting with my pinky nail, obviously, and I'm just going to take some clear acrylic. Today, all we're using is clear acrylic powder. I really love this stuff and how it's just very easy to work with. It's the Mia Secret clear powder. I'm making it into like a coffin shape, so you want to just make sure that you do the shape as good as possible on the form so that you don't have to file as much. I'm just taking some more product and putting that at the end of the nail, and then I'm going to take my cuticle bead and put it at my cuticle. I'm taking a little small thin layer of clear and putting that around my cuticle. Alright, so now I'm taking my my index finger, I think this is, no, whatever this finger is, I'm taking the clear powder and doing the same exact thing. I'm going to blend out the part that's on my nail bed first, and then I'm going to spread out the rest to create the shape that I want. And I think I end up getting more product to, yes, at the end you want to just make sure you have enough product to actually create the shape that you want. Alright, so I went ahead and did all my nails. Here they are, just clear. Now I'm taking these little charms. I don't know what to call these, but little like gold things. And this confetti glitter. And I got one of this glitter I got from Walmart. And then the charms, the gold thingies, I got from Michael's. So yeah, and so now I'm just taking like a clear, very small clear bead of acrylic just to stick these pieces on. These are so gorgeous. They're reflective, like a green purple color. I really love the look of them, so I decided to put them in this look. I just think that it was just like a really radical look, and it color changes, so like it's really cool. So yeah, I really love the clips of me putting this on. It's kind of satisfying to me. But yeah, I'm just gonna put that on all of my fingers, and you want to make sure it matches up to the clear that you already put down. So now I'm putting on the little smiley faces. Also, I'm taking a clear bead to apply these so that they can stick. You can apply these or whatever charms or whatever you have. I'm just making sure that the smiley faces are pointing or like straightened to be parallel with like how my nails would look like if I'm facing my nails. Hope that makes sense. So yeah, I'm gonna put 2 on my pinky, 2 on this finger, and then on my middle finger I'm putting 3, and I feel like that makes it a little bit more balanced. I think I put 1 on my pointy finger because I ran out, but it looks good either way. So do whatever that do whatever that looks good to you and that looks good to the nail design. Okay, so I did all of my nails, and now I am clear capping all of them. You want to take this clear bead as wet as possible. I think I took it a little too wet, but I cleaned it up the sides. You want to just make sure that you keep that shape, and I'm just taking that and I am clear capping, building strength in my nail, making it a little thicker. Make sure that you have the end as well with enough product to it. I'm also then going to do my cuticle. Make sure you have your apex in there. You want your nails to be super strong. You don't want them super thin. So in a moment you'll see like a divot in the nail. I'll fix that by the end of my by the end of the video. Now I'm moving on to the next finger. You see how I'm kind of like dragging the clear down that's the best method I feel to do this, because it will allow the clear to kind of like soak in the really wet clear bead, to soak into all the crevices it needs to be. So yeah, I'm just doing that, and then I'm gonna do my cuticle, nicely smoothing it down and then straighten up the shape again. So I went ahead and finished clear capping all of my nails and my thumb. I'm taking off the forms here. This is such a simple but like really cute look, like insanely cute. I'm gonna do more videos like this. So here is white gel polish. I got this in a pack, and I will link where it is from on Amazon down below. So I'm taking this white. You can use acrylic paint, but I feel like this gel, the white gel, is way easier. You want to take this long bristled brush. It makes creating the lines way easier. You can take any brush, obviously, but I recommend this one because it's easier. So I'm going to do across the nail first, and then I'm going to do that on all of the nails, and then I'll go around the sides with the white gel. Okay, now I'm doing the sides. So I started with this like one little single line, and then I was like, not thick enough. So I made it thicker with another line, and you guys will see on how it looks like on top. I'll change the view. There we go. And you can see how like it's really on the edge. So I made it a little bit thicker. However you shape your nails is how you want to do the line. I'm going to do this for every single finger. And this is how it looks at the end after doing the lines. Okay, so now I'm using this Be a Secret Glass Finish Gel Top Coat. I love this stuff. Woo, I love it so much. And I love doing my I love seeing how it looks at the end after I do the clear. So yeah, I'm going to put this all over my nails, and then I'm going to cure it in my, I think it's a LED lamp, for about 60 seconds. These nails just really make me happy. Like, look at those little smiley faces smiling back at you. You know, when you're having a bad day, you could just take a look at these nails and just remember that, you know, all you gotta do is smile to bring the positivity. So I'm taking this gelish cuticle oil, and I put things in my cuticles. As you can see, I really needed it. And yeah, guys, this is the finished nail design. I really enjoyed doing this and filming this for you guys. I want to like incorporate more gel designs or whatever, or like clear design. Like, I want to do so many. So subscribe to me if you haven't already, if you want to see more. And keep in mind, I'm still doing makeup looks. I just haven't done one yet, but it's coming. I really enjoy doing those. So yeah, anyway guys, talk to you later. Subscribe for more of me, and I'll see you in a later video. Bye.